This quick video is about how to hide like counts on Instagram posts while uploading. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then click here, then tap this plus icon and tap post. Now select the image you want to post. I choose this, then click next. Okay, now here you can see the option advanced settings. Just click that. Then here you can see the option hide like and view counts on this post. Just turn on this. That's it. After that, just click the share button. After this, your like count was hidden. This is how you can hide like count on an Instagram post while uploading on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.